Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Macally wireless mechanical keyboard for Mac, a keyboard that aims to deliver a premium typing experience specifically tailored for Apple users. First impressions are positive. The keyboard sports a sleek black and silver finish that complements the aesthetics of MacBooks, iMacs, and Mac Minis. The build quality feels solid, and the compact 75% layout is a welcome change for those who want to save desk space without sacrificing too much functionality. It's a great size for both home and office use, offering a good balance between portability and usability. The key feature here is the mechanical keys. This Macally keyboard uses tactile blue switches, which provide a satisfying clicky sound and a noticeable bump with each key press. If you're someone who enjoys the tactile feedback of mechanical keyboards, you'll likely appreciate the typing experience on this keyboard. It definitely adds a level of precision and enjoyment to everyday tasks, whether you're writing emails, coding, or just browsing the web. Connectivity is another strong point. The keyboard connects via Bluetooth and can pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Switching between a MacBook, iPad, and iPhone is seamless with dedicated keys for each device. This multi-device functionality is a huge time saver for anyone who works across multiple Apple devices. The Bluetooth connection has been stable during testing, with no noticeable lag or dropouts. The Macally keyboard also features backlighting, which is a nice touch for working in low-light environments. The backlighting is adjustable, allowing you to customize the brightness to your preference. However, there are a few things to consider. The blue switches, while satisfying for some, might be too loud for shared workspaces or quiet environments. If you prefer a quieter typing experience, you might want to explore other switch options. Also, while the 75% layout is compact, it does take some getting used to if you're accustomed to a full-size keyboard. Some keys, like the function keys, are smaller and more closely spaced together. Overall, the Macally wireless mechanical keyboard for Mac is a solid option for Apple users who are looking for a compact, well-built mechanical keyboard with multi-device connectivity. The tactile blue switches provide a satisfying typing experience, and the sleek design complements the aesthetics of Mac devices. While the blue switches might be too loud for some, and the 75% layout takes some adjustment, the Macally keyboard offers a compelling combination of features and performance for the price. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new Mac-compatible keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.